Hello and namaste everyone. Biryani, one of the most liked and frequently ordered meal in India. Various regions in India have their unique way of cooking their favorite biryani, hence preparing food that can cater to different palates of customer while maintaining its unique flavor, cook quality and consistency with the highest level of hygiene in a compact kitchen with a lower operating cost can be a big challenge. However, today I will take up this challenge with my Convatha Max. Major challenges which customer faces is the high attrition rate and increased cost of training employees. Convatha Max with its user-friendly, easy touch control panel with an easy to scroll pictorial menu allows you to store 399 recipes with its original picture in an icon form. By pressing the relevant picture of the menu, even a semi-skilled or less trained staff can cook great food easily and consistently. Great food, wider menu options, cook consistently and serve in the shortest possible time are critical for repeat businesses. In Convatha Max, using the production management, the press and go feature allows you to cook multiple menu items at the same time with ease. Just choose the icon for the type of biryani and assign the tray number on which you want to cook it. This allows you to cook multiple products at the same time without having to worry about the temperature, time and mode of the cooking. Using the press and go, you can safeguard your recipes while it helps your semi-skilled staff to easily use the oven, and it also reduces the chance of food wastage by eliminating over or undercooked food. The one important point with Convatha Max is that you get space mount, one extra tray which increase your output and hence increase your efficiency. Cooking 4 different types of biryani at the same time, you will require 4 gas ranges, 4 handis, and not to forget, it will take 2 to 3 people to demold that amount of rice, which is a safety concern as well. Convatha Max allows you to cook multiple items at the same time, and with the multiple tray timer, you can easily monitor each cook. This reduces the multiple equipment costs, energy bills, and eliminates the need to have a large kitchen. To me, that means more savings. And also having a triple glass door, you can be assured that there is no heat loss from the oven, which reduces my energy consumption. With the less overhead and operating costs, less training costs, easy use equipment and the ability to cook multiple food items at the same time, reducing your cook time, you can have the best cook quality and ease operation, and hence happy employees who will then drive your customer satisfaction and get repeat businesses. In today's challenging times, the need of hygiene and sanitization has increased a lot. In Convatha Max, the antibacterial door handle reduces the chance of cross-contamination by inhibiting bacterial growth. Further, it has a fully automatic and hands-free flexible cleaning system. This ensures that you don't have to enter any tablets or chemicals and you can head home after starting the cleaning cycle. And you can also use the steam disinfection function to sterilize the inside of ovens and even your pots and pans. Wow, it smells amazing in the kitchen. 4 different types of biryani are filling the whole kitchen with the aroma. As you can see, each rice is very well cooked. The Hyderabadi biryani was made with raw mutton, also known as kachi gosht biryani. The Kolkata biryani is known for its boiled eggs, potatoes and mild spices. The southern Dingitul biryani having the tangy taste and delicious. And most of the favorite, the Lucknowi biryani, the slow cooked dum biryani. Even the chicken and mutton are also well cooked. Thanks to press and go, you don't need to constant monitoring. The multiple tray timer guides you to take out the food as soon as it gets cooked and hence save your food wastage. To summarize, Convatha Max helps to cook great food which can even cooked by semi-skilled operators thanks to its easy touch control panel with press and go and multi-tray timer. Cooked in a hygienic manner and safely, and thanks to its antibacterial door handle, steam disinfection and fully automatic hands-free cleaning system. Uses minimum energy and less water thanks to its climate control and triple glass door, and using up to 30% less manpower. The Conversa Max therefore helps to increase the profitability of your business and improves customer satisfaction by providing you all the right feature at the right price, and hence it is not too much, not too little, just right. So this was just a small video on our favorite meal, biryani, and how you can maximize the efficiency of your food business. To know more or how you can grow your business, please get in touch with us. Thank you.